This calculator solves the famous barn pole paradox in special relativity, where a moving rod appears to fit through a gap that's shorter than its rest length. It's an essential tool for engineers working with high-velocity systems or teaching relativistic physics concepts. The calculator offers 5 calculation modes through a drop-down menu. You can calculate contracted lengths given velocity, calculate required velocity given contraction, calculate simultaneity, difference, calculate Lorentz factor and effects, or calculate door closure times. For our demonstration, we'll use calculate contracted lengths given velocity. The interface shows 5 input fields: proper length of rod in meters, proper length of gap in meters, velocity as a fraction of c, rod rest mass in kilograms, and a field for contracted length in meters, which becomes an output in this mode. Let's work through a practical example. Imagine a spacecraft component that's 20 meters long approaching a docking bay that's only 15 meters wide. Enter 20 for proper length of rod, 15 for proper length of gap, and 0.8 for velocity, representing 80% the speed of light. For rod rest mass, let's use 1,000 kilograms for a typical structural component. When you calculate, the contracted length shows 12 meters, confirming the rod does fit through the gap from the stationary observer's perspective. Each output directly relates to engineering design constraints. The contracted length tells you the apparent size of moving components, critical for clearance calculations in high-speed applications. Remember, length contraction only occurs along the direction of motion. It's important to note that contraction does not occur perpendicular to the direction of motion. Find the link in the description below.